Welcome to Excel Tech Guru. I'm Fred Watson. I'll guide you through this video. We are your one-stop solution to all your technical problems. We provide reliable US-based remote online technical support services for home and IT support for your business. With our 24/7 tech support services, we make maintaining uptime a breeze. We rid you of all the hassles involved in keeping your IT top-notch, while also providing computer security essentials to safeguard your business data and assets. Now I'll pass the talk to Jessica.
Hi, this is Jessica. Let me tell you what services we provide. We provide antivirus support to ensure security. We provide technical support and software repairs with hardware repairs. We specialize in network connectivity support, Windows Live Mail support, Outlook Express support, Microsoft Office support, printer and scanner support, and browser support. Back to you, Fred.
Thank you, Jessica. With our team of highly experienced IT professionals, we provide instant technical support to streamline your operations. Solvent Technology is here to help. We take pride in offering excellent customer service and support, which is one of the reasons for our success. Feel free to contact us if you would like to know more about what we do, want to find out how we can help your particular business, or want to get quotes for different IT support jobs and services. If you have to get in touch with us immediately to get urgent solutions, or are facing an issue for existing customers, you can always call us at 1-888-479-5919 or chat with our live customer support representative at www.exceltechguru.com. Hey Jessica, any more points you would like to add?
Please note that we operate 24/7, all days of the week, which means we will be able to get back to you even on the weekends. Call us now at 1-888-479-5919 as we have some special offers for a very limited time. To your success, this is Jessica from Excel Tech Guru signing off. See you on the other side. Thank you.